Yes. Now industrial product design and product life management. Now industrial product design, these parameters we have seen in unit number 1 to 3. So we have seen what is the product design, what is the tear down method, what are the requirements actually while doing the product design, that we have seen. After that, right now we have reached up to this product life cycle management. Now unit number 4, 5 and 6, it is totally related with the another part of the syllabus, that is product life cycle management. This is very important. If you understood product life cycle, how we can develop the product and what should be the life cycle, then we are easy to understand this unit number 4, 5, 6. So unit number 4 is suggested about product life cycle management. Here we are going to study PLM, product life cycle management. What are the pros, what are the cons, what are the parameters included in this product design product life cycle management, that we are going to consider. This is about first part. Second part, we are going to learn about product data management. Whatever be the life cycle we have developed or we have derived, whether that will be working in a proper channel or not, that we can derive or that we can uh, check by this product data management, PDM. So after that we are going to learn about ERP. Of course, the ERP, I think your account is there from college login. We are using Masters of ERP, through which we'll get the attendance and all the records of the respective organization. Now PLM and CAD, that tools we are going to learn over here. In today's session, I'll start with the PLM, that is product life cycle management, and we'll take the thorough study of that product life cycle team and management, how it work, what is life cycle, why it is required, that we are going to learn over here. Now this screen is visible, product life cycle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll start. See, in case of the product life cycle, any product which can be defined as per their life, it means that we are going to define its span from starting or from development, from input purchasing material through dispatch. So that should be our product life cycle. Now in this case, what happened? So product life cycle is always, it is not possible to get the constant curve. Constant means we cannot get the straight line while deriving the product life cycle. So product life cycle requires somewhat up and downs. Correct, somewhat up and downs are available, and because of that the product life cycle changes at every stages, at every stages. So that's why we are going to check what should be the life cycle. It means that at the initial condition I have decided to develop the product. In that case, initial condition would be I will have to decide whether the material is available for that particular or not, first thing. Second thing, I should go for availability of material. Third thing, I should go for the consideration where exactly it is available, so that I need to search. Okay, just wait. Okay, so this is about the product life cycle actually. Now in this case, what happened, while developing the product, we are going to consider each and every parameter, as like all the department we are considering, as we have seen in previous session that the various parameters are there, as like such as inventory, raw material, then recognition of the gap, then manufacturing process, then development, and then testing of that particular with respect to various parameter, and after that we are going to launch the product. So that should be the cycle, and that should be the cycle we need to learn it. Now see the meaning of a product life cycle. Have you written the title लिहून घ्या, product life cycle, because this is very helpful slide. Product life cycle unit number 4, you can write product life cycle management is the title. Product life cycle management is the title, and we have learned about the introduction of that particular PLF. Now in this you can see here they have mentioned the meaning in systematic words, which I have told you. All the product have certain length of life. It means from starting to ending or usage up to usage of life, during which they pass through a certain identifiable stages, various stages: input, inventory, raw material, manufacturing. The PLC, product life cycle, is a conceptual representation of the product aging process. Aging process means day by day its usage, and through which what are the outcome, that we call as the aging process. Like your life is divided into various stages. So as the stages we are going to learn, the product starts with the introduction in the market for the purpose of sale. The demand of that product is gradually increased or decreased in the market, and if it reach at its maximum from where it start decline, it is called as a lifespan of that particular product. Pratiksha, can you tell me the meaning, short meaning of this slide, whichever I have read here? Ritesh, can you tell me product life cycle? You can tell me in two sentences. Hitesh,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me product life cycle?
So actually, Satish sir call came. He is not able to join. Yeah, he said of send me the link. So I was busy in his call.
कोण सतीश सर का?
हा हा, त्यांना म्हणजे लेक्चर जॉईन करता येई नाही.
कस काय? लिंक तर पाठवली मी.
लिंक पाठवली, त्या लिंकहून नाही होते. मला ते बोलले की तू परत एकदा मला लिंक पाठव.
आले वाटतं, आले की.
हा आले सर. हा.
Okay. Now, Pratiksha, can you tell me? Pratiksha, are you there? Okay, see, I'll repeat. In case of the product life cycle, we are going to define the stages of that
Yes, sir.
particular
Yes, sir.
product, of the particular product from start to end. And here they have mentioned the meaning. In that meaning, they have mentioned as per the stages, variations are there, as like introduction stage, market survey stage, the growth of that particular product, then reach up to maximum level. So maximum highest market purchase rate. After that, declination will be there. So that will be the product life cycle. So here two sentences are important. The various stages are available for the product life cycle, and second thing, after reaching its maximum limit, there is a declination occur in the product. So you can write this sentence for product life cycle. Our title is product life cycle, unit number 4, and I have told the meaning related to the product life cycle. It is divided into stages, and second point, whenever it reach up to its maximum peak, there is a declination will be start, because new product will be in the market. Due to that, the declination will be there. Just wait on. Over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, see, in case of the product life cycle, I told you basic definition. There are the various scientists, they have mentioned their definition, but one of the definition I'll tell you. So, which is the which helps to define the PLC properly. The PLC, that is product life cycle, is an attempt to recognize the distinct stages in the sales history of the product. So here just overall general statement he has given, that is product life cycle. It can be attempt from to the recognizing the distinct stages, various stages for the cell. That's it. So that is about Philip Kotler. Now according to Williams and Stanton, the product life cycle concept is the explanation of the product from its birth. It means since from its idea generated and to inventories and all that, since from its birth to death, as a product exists in the different stages and in different competitive environment. This is the perfect definition for any product life cycle. So you can write second one. According to Williams, the product life cycle is the concept of the explanation from birth to death for the product existence in a different stages with in a different competitive environments. So this is very clear. Why competitive environments are there? Because of, see, in case of the competitive environment, what happened? So we are going to check the various stages, and it is not like that I'm going to launch the product and nobody is going to launch. It is not like that. So there is a launching. That's why competitive environment. So you can write this. Am I audible?
Yes,
आवाज
sir.
येतोय का?
Oh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You are audible.
म्हणलं इथे काही देणं होते का नाही, काय कसं आहे? हे बरेच दिवस नाही झाले. आमचं काम तिकडे आहे ना. तुम्ही लेक्चर असल्यावरच येते राव. काय झालं मुलाचं? हम्म. हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
हॅलो, आवाज येतोय?
Ha, sir. Yeto. Yeto, yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I think you have written the things. Now, in this case, what happened? The stages of product life cycle. This is very important. In case of the stages, as I told you, every stage is different from intro to end or death of that particular product. Death means what? After the reaching at maximum level, the declination will be start, and every product follows same product life cycle. It is not like that. We are not using right now scooter, Bajaj scooter of olden days. Right now we are not using as like in that time they were used. It is not like that. So every product, it has own maximum reaching point, and then declination will start. So this is about the product life cycle. You can see here what happened, the graph of profit or revenue with respect to time. So with respect to time, of course, revenue get changes, but there are the stages. You can see the red line is shows about the revenue and green line is shows about the profit. Now, in case of revenue, you can, before starting this explanation of this red and green line, we must know the stages. What are the stages? First one be the introduction stage. Means after studying the market, I will have to launch the product, and for launching that product, I will have to introduce new feature in the market. First of all, that we called as an introduction phase. Now it is not like that. I have launched my product, I have introduced my product, and suddenly it get rise and it will boom the market. It is not like that. So it is just intro, and through which it spreads the usage of the person at introduction stage for the particular product is less amount of. So because of the less amount, the spreading of the information or spreading of the feature is also slowly. So there will be, so for that you can see the graph, it shows very slowly it can be raised. And after that, when the company takes the feedback of from the users or mouth publicity by user, this product, if it has having that much caliber, then this product spread through the mouth publicity, and then usage get increased, the customer get increased. So there will be the growth. So this graph is called as a growth. You can see here, this is growth. And after that, what happened? So this growth, because of this growth, automatically the marketing will be there because of its growth, and the persons or customers again get raised, and due to that publicity, again that product, if it is having that much innovative quality, then of course it will reach up to its maturity level, that we called as a maximum peak level. And after that, that peak level, it is not like that it can be maintained lifetime. No, somewhat span is available for which you can raise this, or you can get this curve, maturity curve. I'll quote here one example. In last 5 to 6 years back, Himesh Reshmiya was the singer, and if you have if you might have aware about his songs are most popular for a whole year. So any other music director is not stand in front of him because of its popularity, because of its songs. So total 1 year he has spent in a maturity span. Of course, he is having lot many efforts, but still that we called as a maturity phase. And right now, Himesh Reshmiya, we just know the name. The songs or musics are not that much available as like maturity span. So there will be the declination. So such kind of the things are always happen with respect to any of product, any product. Correct? So intro, growth, maturity, and declination. Now, in case of revenue, red line suggested that you can see the introduction phase. When introduced in the market, there is the increase the price. Of course, the price cannot be stable from start to, or from birth to death of that particular product. No, it can be changed as per the requirement, as per the availability, as per the market structure, as per the region. Clear? So you can see the introduction phase, the price get raised, and if the features are very well, then again it gets raised. And if the maturity level or maximum mass quantity requirements are there for the customer, in that case it can be raised highly, and that stage will come, we cannot reduce the price, but the sell, it can be a sell reduce of that particular product, that we called as a revenue line. In case of the profit also, you can see introduction phase, we cannot calculate the profit because this is just an intro. Whatever be the money we have spent on development of that particular product, it cannot get back in introduction phase. It will get back in between growth and maturity span. Correct? So this will be the span. If your features and development product developed is up to the mark, then you will get definite profit. And after some time, the sales are reduced, because of that profit get decline. So this shows about the product life cycle curve, and we'll have to manage each stage of this particular product, that we called as a product life cycle management, which is our unit number 4. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, just draw this curve, product life cycle. फॉर्म सगळ्यांनी भरलेत का सतीश सर?
येस सर, फॉर्म भरून झालाय.
Yes, sir.
पेड पण
Yes.
झालं, फायनल मेल झालाय.
ओके. प्रतीक्षा?
येस सर भरलाय फॉर्म.
ठीक आहे. फॉर्म भरून टाका. लेट फी त्याला काय असे ऍप्लिकेबल नाहीये. इवन तुमचा जर इथे अनऑफिशियल ग्रुप असेल तर त्याच्यात पण त्या मुलांना सांगा, बाकीचे जे तुम्ही सोडून 7 जण आहेत ते निवांत आहेत, ते परत काही घेणार नाहीत एक्झाम, आणि ते सेमिस्टर राहील त्या मुलांचं. म्हणजे एवढं सिरियसनेस आहे म्हणून मी काल पण ग्रुपवर मेसेज टाकले, इंगोले सर टाकायला लागलेत.
सर जे कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये होते ना माझ्या, मी सगळ्यांकडून भरून घेतलाय काल फॉर्म. निकेश सर, कमरान सर आणि सागरला पण कॉल केला होता. बाकी नितीन यादव ते जे आहे ते काही कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये वगैरे
तेच
नाहीये.
ना, ते फोन पण उचलत नाहीत लोक. ते कसं रीच करायचं, आणि उद्या त्याचं नुकसान झालं कोण जबाबदार, असं सगळं प्रॉब्लेम आहे. त्यामुळे आपण ते रीतसर ते 3 वेळा मेसेज टाकतोय. आत्ता अजून आपण ग्रुपवर हे करायला लागलोय. तर ते बघा, एकदा कळवा त्या लेवलला होत असेल तर, कारण आम्ही आमच्या साईडने फोन केले 2दा, एक लॅब असिस्टंट कडनं, एक स्वतः आम्ही. म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने चालू आहे. ठीक आहे, ज्याचं ते बघेल तर तेवढं ते करायला पाहिजे ना स्टुडंटनं. ठीक आहे, सो विल मूव about this lifespan in between revenue or profit to time. Now here one by one explanation is there. Same explanation which I told you, I just read because it is mentioned in different word. You can see the first stage is introduction, this one phase. What happened in this stage? The first stage wherein the product is launched in the market with full scale production and marketing program. Of course, the product is a new one. It means a product that opens up an entirely new market, replace an existing product, or significantly broaden the market for an existing product. In this stage, the sales grows at a very lower rate because it's not an effective demand. It means because of introduction. Not an effective demand means it has not created the brand at that time. That's why not it is sell in a very lower price. So you can write down these 3 points, very important. Intro stage पॉईंट वाईज लिहा, सगळंच काही लिहायची गरज नाही. पहिला पॉईंट तुमचा असेल की इनिशियल स्टेज ऑफ लॉन्चिंग असेल. सेकंड तुमचा पॉईंट असेल वाईल लॉन्चिंग द थिंग्स, एक्झिस्टिंग प्रोडक्टला रिप्लेस कसा करेल, दॅट टेक केअर शुड टेक by the developer or introducer. And third one is of course it sell with the lower rate. पहिला स्टार्टिंगलाच मी जर रेट वाढवला तर त्याचे पुढच्या स्टेजेस मध्ये जाण्याचे चान्सेस संपतात ऑलमोस्ट.
हॅलो सर.
बोला.
हॅलो
हा
सर, मी
बोल की.
फॉर्म भरला इन्कम फॉर्म, पण इन्वर्ट नाही झालेला माझा फॉर्म.
हे बघा, इनवर्ड हा सगळ्यांचाच होणार आहे, त्याचा विषय नाही. तुमचं फी स्ट्रक्चर सगळ्यांनी भरले का? फीस कसं आहे?
हा, फीचाच प्रॉब्लेम आलता सर. मग काय ना, माझे मिस्टर गोष्टी सरांना जाऊन भेटून आले. मग गोष्टी सर ओके बोलले, त्यांनी ऍप्लिकेशन वगैरे घेतलं
हा.
एक्झाम सेशन साठी.
हम्म.
नंतर बोलले इट्स ओके, हो इन्वर्ट बोलले, पण अजून नाही इन्वर्ट झाला. काल
गोडसे
लिस्ट
सरांना
लागली
एकदा
ना
ते,
invert.
ऐका ना, गोडसे सरांना ते एकदा ऍप्लिकेशन सबमिट करायला सांगा, काय प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही. आणि तसा मेसेज तुम्ही इंगोले सरांना पण टाका, कारण इंगोले सर तुमची सगळ्यांची लिस्ट देणार आहेत. कॅडची डिझाईनची मी देतोय, तर
हा,
त्यांना.
इंगवले सरांना पण सांगितलं ना, जस्ट भेटून पण सांगितलं इंगवले सरांना. आणि
मग ठीक
गोष्टी
आहे ना,
सरांनी ऍप्लिकेशन घेतलं, ते ओके बोलले.
ठीक आहे, काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही, होऊन जाईल.
मग म्हणलं फक्त इन्व्हर्टचा प्रॉब्लेम झालाय माझा.
नाही नाही,
फी
इन्व्हर्ट
साठी
झालं तर ते सगळं क्लिअर त्यांची करतात, त्यांची बाजू आहे ती. सरांशी सुद्धा बोलतो.
ओके.
हॅलो हॅलो, ऐका ना सर, आमची आता डिझाईन आणि कॅडची जी मुलं आहेत, तर बऱ्यापैकी मी तुम्हाला ते काल सांगितलं, मग त्यांची परत नावं द्यायची गरज आहे का? सगळ्यांचे इन्व्हर्ट झाले. हा, बाकीचे तुम्ही काय ते, कारण कसं आहे, आता त्यातले दोघांचा नंबर लागत नाहीत, काय काय फोनच नाही आहेत त्यांचे उचलत. हा, असे लोक आहेत. ते नित नवरे म्हणून एक आहे डिझाईनचा, ते प्रांजल म्हणून एक मुलगी आहे. इकडे कॅड मध्ये पण ते आमचे 21 आहेत, कॅडचे 11 आहेत. कुठले? इंगोले सर आलेत की. चाल, मग मी 11ला पाठवू का लिस्ट, माझं लेक्चर झालं? चाल, ओके, हां, ठीक आहे, होऊन जाईल. ज्यांचा इन्व्हर्ट आहे त्यांचा काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज अबाउट द फर्स्ट स्टेज. Next will be the characteristics of the first stage. It is very important. What are the include? What are the parameters are include here? First is lower cost. हे include होणारच आहे. Correct. So these are the characteristics you can see. Low and slow sales, of course. High product price. So in this case, high product price means customer, it feels it is high product price. Heavy promotion expenses, of course, market मध्ये launch करायचं, publicity पाहिजे. A lack of knowledge. Right now we have just started the things in the market and we don't know how to grow, so that's why it required the time, and that's we called as a knowledge, and after some time it will get how to reach. Then low profit and narrow product lines. So you just write down these characteristics. This is also crux, summarize point, characteristics of first stage only, first stage. So write down this: low and slow sales, high product price, promotional expenses, lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge म्हणजे काय? जरी एक्सपिरियन्स असेल आणि त्याने लॉन्च केला असेल तर त्याला मार्केट सर्वे करायला लागतो, कारण मार्केट स्टडी हा प्रत्येक वेळी व्हॅरी होतो. मागच्या वेळी होता तसंच नाही राहणार. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next will be the growth stage. This is second, growth. So in that growth stage, what is there? Once the market has accepted the product, means we have fulfilled the requirement of the market where there is a research gap, and that we have fulfilled. The sales begins to rise and product enter in the second stage. The product achieve the considerable and widespread approval in the market. Of course, due to publicity, mouth publicity असेल किंवा तुमच्या marketing strategy असेल, the sales and profits increase at an accelerated rate. So here we cannot say the profit directly start. No, sales will increase, and whatever be the investment we have done on that particular product, that are getting payback. So that will have to get slowly, correct? In this effective distribution, advertising and sales promotions are considered as a key factor. Introduction phase मध्ये, after accepting the product, it's our role is to distribute the things only due to be or only because of the mass publicity, or sorry, mouth publicity. It is not possible to get or reach the product at highest level. So for that, we'll have to make the advertisement. We'll have to give the right now social medias. We can use the that tools. We have to use the promotion activity as like there is a discount, there is a warranty period, guarantee periods. There is some kind of the schemes we can apply on that particular product. So these are the key factor in that. The various characteristics are as that rapid increase in sale as compared to introduction. Product improvement, of course, increase in competition. At that stage असं काही होत नाही की बाबा इंडियामध्ये फक्त तुमचाच प्रोडक्ट त्या पर्टिक्युलर मेकॅनिझम साठी किंवा त्या पर्टिक्युलर रिक्वायरमेंट साठी डेव्हलप करताय असं नाही होत. सो मेनी ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटर्स आर देअर. सो त्यांच्या बरोबर तुमचं कॉम्पिटिशन राहणार. सो कॉस्ट मध्ये असेल किंवा स्पेस मध्ये असेल किंवा मेकॅनिझम मध्ये असेल किंवा टेक्नॉलॉजी पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू असेल. इन्क्रीज इन प्रॉफिट, रिडक्शन इन प्राइस. सो इथं जर मला कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये टिकायचं असेल, सो आय विल हॅव टू रिड्यूस माय प्राइस बिकॉज दॅट इज द इम्पॉर्टंट पॅरामीटर थ्रू विच मेनी ऑफ द कस्टमर्स आर can purchase the things. And strengthening the distribution channel, of course, as I told you, various social media tools, marketing structure strategies will have to implement to grow our product. So you can just write down 3 points of this growth stage 1, 2, 3, and after that we'll write the characteristics.
सर माझं ते इंट्रोडक्शन स्टेज पासून कॅरेक्टरिस्टिकला एक 5 मिनिट नेट गेलेलं.
ओके ओके, लिहा की लिहा, काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? इंट्रोडक्शन टेस्टचं हे तुम्ही लिहिलं असेल, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. येस.
ओके.
MCQs काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करा बरं का. हितेश, इफ यू हॅव टाइम, प्रतीक्षा, तुम्ही डायरेक्ट गुगलवर त्या टायटलचं सरळ MCQs लिहायचे चॅप्टरचे, तुम्हाला मिळतील. PDF टाकलं तरी PDF मिळेल, .ppt टाकले की .ppt मिळेल. सो या पद्धतीने टूल यूज करा. बरेचसे बुक्स पण आहेत जे की फ्री डाउनलोड आहेत, तर त्याच्यातला क्रक्स पॉईंट घ्यायचा. अननेसेसरली असं पण अभ्यास नाही करायचं की एका युनिटचे पार 500 MCQs काढलेत. नो नीड. मॅक्स टू मॅक्स 100, तर त्या रेंजमध्ये. आणि ते रिलेटेड टू द बीट आहे का हे पण बघा. म्हणजे तुम्ही अभ्यास, हे मी तुम्हाला का सांगतोय, मी सर्च करू शकतो नो डाऊट, पण मी सर्च केल्यावर माझा अभ्यास होणार. सो एक्सपेक्टेशन असं आहे की तुमचा अभ्यास झाला पाहिजे आणि तुमच्या पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ते सर्च झालं तर ते कधीच विसरणार नाही, यासाठी मी सांगतोय.
सर नेक्स्ट
ऑफकोर्स क्वेश्चन पेपर माझ्याकडे आहेत, पण मी काही पोस्ट केले नाहीत कारण एक्सप्लेनेटरी क्वेश्चन्स आता ती काही स्ट्रॅटेजी वापरून आपल्याला नाही चालणार. ऍक्च्युली आय हॅव प्रिपेअर्ड ऑल द थिंग्स, म्हणजे प्रत्येक तुमच्या सब्जेक्ट वाईज क्वेश्चन पेपर आणि त्याच्या सॉफ्ट कॉपी सगळ्या तयार आहेत माझ्याकडे. वाटल्यास तर मी टाकतो, पण त्याचा ॲज सच आजच्या सिच्युएशनला तुमच्या यूज नाहीये. सो अननेसेसरली डिस्टर्बन्स नको म्हणून मी काही ते टाकलं नाही. सो देन राईट डाऊन ग्रोथ स्टेज.
आता नको, आता वेळ नाही.
Okay, second stage. In this case, market survey, sales profit start to increase, advertisement and sales, the promotional activity will have to conduct, and after that the characteristics, a rapid increase in the sale, product improvement, increase competition, increase profit, a reduction in the price, and strengthening the channel.
झाले सर.
Okay. Now third will be maturity stage. This one. Maturity stage. It is a final stage through in which we can get maximum profit. So this will be called as a maturity stage. So market becomes saturated because the household demand is satisfied So we have reached up to the mark, and distribution of the channel are full. Full means competitor also reach up to that level. The product has to face keen competition, which brings pressure on price. Of course, the sales of the product rises, but at lower rate. So again, it starts with the introduction point of view. Whatever be the rate, that will be the at the time of the introduction, same kind of the situation will be end of the maturity stage. The profit margin, however, decline due to the keen competition, of course. So number of things are there due to so many things, as like copy the things, develop the things same manner in a different ways. So for that, this will be the maturity stage where we'll get the maximum profit. Now characteristics, sales are increased at decreasing rate, of course. So I will have to reduce the value. Normal promotional expenses, not extraordinary and maximum. Uniform and lower prices, product modifications जर मी केले तर तिथं मी सर्व्हाइव्ह करू शकतो. Correct. Instead of starting again from introduction, I will have to modification I will have to do in that stage, then I will survive. After that, dealer support and that total market survey, and profit margin is decreases at the end of the maturity stage. So that's why declination will start. Okay, so just write down the characteristics. Before that, just write down the 2 points. First one is demand is satisfied, then distribution or marketing strategy is also not work in that case. And after that, the margin, profit margin get reduced at the end of maturity stage.
Sir, characteristic.
Yes, characteristics in this case, sales get increase with decrease rate. Okay, so this is about the characteristics, and last stage is declination, we can say. Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Now declination stage. This is the final stage at which actual sales begins to fall under the impact of new product competitor. So whenever we have reached up to this level, see here, up to this declination level, what happened? Maturity end stage, this point. So new products are get launched many times. Every stage new products are get launched. So here is the introduction of new product is started. Now the market of this maturity level product is reduced, so that this introduction phase impact on this maturity level, so that revenue gets or product profit get reduced. So demand get reduced or decline. So that's why you can write, you can see here the impact of new product competition and changing consumer behavior. So इथे मी एक explanation तुम्हाला सांगतो. In olden days, bell bottom pants are available. Correct. Right now, no one is using. So there is a phase, there is a stages, and through which it can be at peak level. After that, genes are coming. Correct. So likewise, changes are there. So that we can say the declination of the particular product. So the sales and profit fall down sharply, and the promotional expenditure has to be cut डाऊन ड्रास्टिकली. त्यामुळं त्या प्रोडक्टला मार्केट मधून बाहेर पडल्याशिवाय पर्याय राहत नाही. म्हणजे त्याची जे काही प्रोडक्शन डिमांड असेल किंवा प्रोडक्शन आपण जे काही करणार आहोत दॅट आय विल हॅव टू रिड्यूस ऑर आय विल हॅव टू स्टॉप. सो दॅट फेज वी कॉल्ड एज अ डिक्लिनेशन फेज. ऑफकोर्स सगळ्यात महत्वाचं काय आहे, एनी प्रोडक्ट डेव्हलपरला वॉट एव्हर बी द प्रॉफिट ही कॅन गेट इन बिटवीन ग्रोथ टू मॅच्युरिटी एंड स्टेज. याच्यात त्यानं काय केलं तर वेल अँड गुड, नाहीतर तो प्रोडक्टचं प्रॉफिट किंवा तो प्रोडक्ट लॉस मध्ये गेला आपण असं म्हणू शकतो. सो यू कॅन राईट डाऊन दिस 2 पॉइंट. डिक्लिनेशन स्टेज, declination stage. Okay, then characteristics you can write.
झाले सर.
Okay. ठीक. Now this is about, now this will be about stylish product. Now there are the types actually in product. So here I have mentioned here. Here I have mentioned the stylish product. What it indicates? So it indicates that the style is for the particular span. So it is not like that. Right now the style is come in the market, and some companies are only focused on the styles. So that styles are temporary. It is not for long time. So suppose if I launch some style in the market, some suppose in terms of the cloth point of view, so that style parameters are for the particular span only. It is not like that whole time or whole life. So it is for the particular time. So for the stylish product, you can see the curve related to the sales with time. At initial stage, it will boom. So something new is there. So everyone can purchase as like furnitures असेल, ऑटोमोबाईलचे स्ट्रक्चर्स असतील, क्लोथिंग्स असतील, शूज असतील, सडनली इट गेट इन्क्रीज्ड ॲट इनिशियल स्टेज, जे की आपल्या प्रोडक्ट डेव्हलपमेंटमध्ये होत नाही, मागच्या आपण जे स्टेजेस बघितल्या त्यात. आणि आफ्टर दॅट द स्टाईल चेंज आफ्टर सम टाइम. जसं मी तुम्हाला बेल बॉटमचं एक्झाम्पल दिलं. सो स्टाईल चेंजेस इन केस ऑफ द फर्निचर्स ऑल्सो. ओल्डन डेजला फर्निचर काय असायचे, 4 legs फॉर टेबल, 2 legs 4 legs फॉर चेअर, आणि चेअरचे डिफरंट पॅरामीटर अशा पद्धतीनं असायचे. राईट नाव फर्निचर्स कसे आहेत, स्पेस रिडक्शन, म्हणजे डायरेक्ट भिंतीला अटॅच असतात. सो दिस विल बी द स्टाईल. आणि ते म्हणजे ह्या चेंजेस होत गेल्या आणि त्याच्या पुढे पण होत राहतील. सो मेनी यू कॅन सी वी कॅन डू द beds also from that furniture. We can use as a table also. We can use as a kitchen table also. So likewise changes are there for the style. So that's why styles are not permanent. It is for the particular span only. ठीक आहे. आता तुम्ही पण तुमच्या लाईफमध्ये बघितलं असेल, सिन्स फ्रॉम युअर 5th स्टँडर्ड टू टिल डेथ द व्हेरियस चेंजेस यू हॅव डन ॲज पर द सिच्युएशन. करेक्ट. तर या पद्धतीनं या स्टाईलचा यूज होतो इन केस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट लाईफ सायकल. जे काही आता तुम्ही जर बघितले तर शॉर्ट टर्मचे जे सगळे असतात त्या गोष्टी स्टाईल पॅरामीटर आणि फॅड पॅरामीटर येतं. फॅड म्हणजे काय, ते इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्टाईल. सो दीज थिंग्स आर चेंजेस एव्हरी टाइम अँड इट इज नॉट लॉंग लास्टिंग. बट इफ यू आर मॅन्युफॅक्चर अँड इफ यू आर डेव्हलपर फ्रॉम द मार्केट पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू, यू विल गेट द प्रॉफिट इन दॅट स्पॅन ओनली. ठीक आहे. जसं की बघा, प्रत्येक 26 जानेवारी किंवा 15 ऑगस्टला काही प्रकारचे फ्लॅग्स येतात आपले. तर मग ते गाडीत लावायचे असतील किंवा बारक्या मुलांना द्यायचे, ते चेंजेस होतात आणि पुढच्या वर्षी तेच राहिले सांगता येत नाही, बदलतं डिझाईन. त्याच्यात ॲनिमेशन होतं काहीतरी, सॉरी त्याच्यात काहीतरी मेकॅनिझम बसवलं जातं अँड सो दॅट इट विल वर्क. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्टाईल. म्हणजे सीझनल प्रोडक्ट असतं, ते सीझन वाईज चेंजेस होतात. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर देअर. सो कोटलर जे आपण पहिली डेफिनेशन बघितलेली, ही सेड दॅट a style is a basic and distinctive mode of expression and it is not long lasting. Correct. आणि इथे एक लिहिले बघा, a style is the manner in which a product is presented and certain styles come and go. That is very important. So we cannot predict when it comes and when it go. Examples are furniture, automobile, clothing, as I told you. The current style for mobile, here they have mentioned the example related to the mobile phone is touch screen. अँड दिस स्टाईल विल लास्ट अंटिल अ न्यू टेक्नॉलॉजी स्टाईल अपेअर्स. बरोबर. आधी हे टचस्क्रीन पण नव्हतं. सो राईट नाव पहिला आपण जो मोबाईल बघितला तो नोकियाचा असेल किंवा साधा असेल, आणि त्याच्यानंतर टचस्क्रीन आले मार्केटमध्ये, अँड्रॉइड्स आले, आणि राईट नाव वी आर सीइंग दॅट द LEDs also, sorry, LCD is also touch screen. We can use that by touch screen. So this kind of the changes, आणि हे कधीपर्यंत होईल, जोपर्यंत नवीन स्टाईल येत नाही तोपर्यंत. So here they have mentioned, so the shape of the style life cycle is like a wave. As one style fade out, another can appear. ठीक आहे. So this is about the style. So I hope you understood product life cycle for style products, stylish product. You can write key points only. नवीन एक मेसेज आला था युनिव्हर्सिटीचा ग्रुपवर टाकतो.
झाले सर.
Okay. Now same for product for fashionable product. But what happened here? Fashionable products are suddenly grows and suddenly decline. Not like this phase. Up and downs are not there. So this will be about the fashion. You can see a fashion referred a currently accepted style in specific field. It is a current trend which can have a long or short life cycle. We cannot predict it. The fashion tends to grow slowly, remains popular for some time and declines slowly. Start slowly होते, stable slowly राहते आणि decline slowly. The demand for the product increases at faster rate, reaches to its top, and with the changes in the fashion of the product life enter to the declination stage. ही मॅच्युरिटी स्टेज आहे बरं का. ग्रोथ टू मॅच्युरिटी त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही खेळ होतो तो असतो फॅशनेबल थिंग्सचा. सो एक्झाम्पल्स रेडीमेड गार्मेंट्स, पर्सेस, बँगल्स अँड शूज, मेनी मोर. करेक्ट. सो दिस विल बी कॉल्ड ॲज अबाउट फॅशनेबल प्रोडक्ट. सो जस्ट ड्रॉ द ग्राफ आणि पॉईंट्स लिहून घ्या फक्त, सगळं लिहायची गरज नाही. कारण मोर ओव्हर आपण जो काही प्रोडक्ट लाईफ सायकलचा कर्व बघितलाय त्याच्यातले कट पार्ट्स आहेत. Okay. So just graph, it indicates everything.
झाले सर हे.
Okay. Now, this is about the another part is called as fad. Again, it is a part of the fashion product life cycle for fad. So that fashion is for particular time only. So fads are fashions that enter quickly with great zeal, pick up early and decline very quickly. That we called as a fad. Correct? Fad is the product that is around for the short period, as like garments, cap styles, hairstyles, music albums, films, and other fashionable products. In case of the industry, such kind of the things are not available generally, because whatever we are developing that are for long time. So this is about the fad. You can write or draw the graph only. It indicates everything. Okay. Pour in a message.
झाले सर हे झाले.
Okay. So this is about the fad. Then now the basic features of the product life cycle. Whatever we have discussed, same. Every product has life cycle as every human being has. Correct? As like human, we product has having life. Every product cycle start from an introduction of the product in the market and it ceased after passing through the market growth and market stage. Correct. It denotes that product passes from different stages at different speed in courses in course of completing the whole cycle. The profit of business firm grows rapidly in the stage of the growth and start declining due to the competitors and at the end of the maturity stage. So these are the points which we have already written, no need. So in this case, no two products have identical life. Of course, दोन्ही प्रोडक्ट मार्केटमध्ये बूम होत आहेत असं कधीच होत नाहीये. प्लस मायनस असतं. The duration of the each stage in is different for different product. करेक्ट. इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट की मागच्या वेळेचा प्रोडक्ट मी लॉन्च केला 1 वर्ष चालला डिक्लिनेशन स्टेज पर्यंत, पुढच्या वेळेचं पण तसं चालेल, सांगता येत. वी कॅनॉट प्रेडिक्ट. It is not necessary that all product goes through all stages. Some fails at initial stage. असंही होतं, जसं की आपण बघितलं ते फॅड असेल, फॅशन असेल, स्टायलिश प्रोडक्ट असतील. It provides a useful framework for developing the effective marketing strategy in a different stages of product cycle. करेक्ट. हे काही लिहून घ्यायची गरज नाही, आपण डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. फॅक्टर अफेक्टिंग प्रोडक्ट लाईफ सायकल, दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. व्हेरेवर नेसेसरी विल हॅव टू चेंज द टेक्नॉलॉजी. फर्स्ट थिंग, जर नाही केले लाईफ कमी होणार. रेट ऑफ द मार्केट ॲक्सेप्टन्स, रिक्वायरमेंट, कॉम्पिटिटरचं एंट्री, त्या पद्धतीने चेंजेस, इकॉनॉमिक अँड मॅनेजरियल फोर्सेस, टीम असते आणि त्यानुसार वर्क होते का, रिस्क बेअरिंग कॅपॅसिटी अँड गव्हर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज मॅटर्स. ठीक आहे. सो जस्ट राईट डाऊन फॅक्टर अफेक्टिंग the product life cycle. These are the factors which we must know rather.
झालेलं आहे सर.
Okay. So these are the factors. Now extension of the product life cycle. Of course, in case of the extension, we'll have to use the modification. We'll have to check the entry level product. We'll have to promote frequent use. जर मला डिक्लिनेशन स्टेज थांबवायची असेल तर त्या पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू मला मॅच्युरिटी स्टेजच्या एंडला या गोष्टी करायला पाहिजेत. मॉडिफिकेशन असेल, एंट्री कुठल्या न्यू प्रोडक्टची झाले, फीचर काय आहेत, प्रमोशन ऑफ द फ्रिक्वेंट यूज, डेव्हलपिंग डिफरंट युसेज, finding new uses, use of the advertising and sales promotion again from that stage, then we can survive. That we called as a extension. So write down this point.
झाले सर.
ठीक आहे. So this will be the extension. Now importance of product life. Of course, market comfort, human comfort is the ultimate aim. So here are the some helpful in sales and forecasting, predictive tools, planning tools, control tools, price determination, development of the new product. That can be the base, comparison of different product. So these are the importance. ठीक आहे, हे काही लिहून घ्यायची गरज नाही, आपण आहे म्हणजे ते बाकीचे लिहिलेत. सो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रॅटर्जीज ड्युरिंग PLCs, ऑफकोर्स परत त्याच गोष्टी आपण करणार आहोत. मार्केटिंग स्ट्रॅटर्जी या स्टेजेस पकडूनच आपल्याला पुढे जायला लागेल. ठीक आहे, तर ही लिहायची काही गरज नाही. अँड रेस्ट थिंग्स आता मी इथं दिले बघा, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रॅटर्जी दिले इंट्रोडक्शन स्टेजमध्ये, परत आपण ते एक्सप्लेनेशन केले कुणाच्या पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रॅटर्जी पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. अँड देन अगेन आय हॅव मेन्शन द स्ट्रॅटर्जीज. परत सेकंड स्टेजला ग्रोथ स्टेजची मार्केटिंग स्ट्रॅटर्जी काय असेल ते लिहिले. परत मॅच्युरिटी स्टेजला स्ट्रॅटर्जी काय असेल आणि आफ्टर डिक्लिनेशन स्टेजला स्ट्रॅटर्जी काय असेल. हे जर मी इम्प्रूव्ह केलं तर मी मार्केटमध्ये टिकेल. सो लाईकवाईज, so this is about the product life cycle we have seen and the management on the basis of 4 stages. So I hope you understood this PLC. हे कळालं का तुम्हाला?
येस सर क्लिअर आहे.
चालेल, ठीक आहे, मी स्लाइड शेअर करतो आणि आपण इथं थांबू मग. चालेल?
येस सर.
स्टॉप.
येस सर.
चालेल. आणि
Yes, sir.
तिघं तर ऍटलिस्ट तुम्ही हे करून टाका ते